Hello viewers, welcome to my another video. Today I will show how to check which apps install on your iPhone or on your Apple ID previously. Total all apps are included here. Now you check. First you go to your App Store. Then click on apps. Then click on profile picture, that here. Here you see purchased. Click here. Now you see the all apps that you install on your Apple ID. If you want to again install it, just click here. Then it's installing. After install, you use by as usual. Thank you so much. Please subscribe for more videos.